Just shake. Just shake.
I'm stuck.
Well then, get your finger and flick it. I've got a pig. I need a word. Mom! Oh my god, there's like 15 crawling up the wall. Yeah, there's like 15 in here crawling up the wall.
Alice, get it out of my hair.
No, I'm not touching it.
Yes, hi.
Tilly!
Wiring that.
Wait there.
I saw a man.
Don't move.
Guys, moving.
It's okay. Okay, come here, Vivian. Vivian, come up.
Get the tweezers, all the tongs.
There go, Vivi. Go, go. Sketch it.
Get the bug.
Get it back. Sketch it, sketch it. Vivi, sketch it. Vivi, sketch it.
It's moving.
Simba will do it. Simba. Come on, we go. Good shot. Look, Buggy. It's a bug. Simba. Okay, I'm going to have to get Effie, which isn't going to be very comfortable for you because she's fat.
She called me.
This has gone straight to YouTube, you know.
I told her I'd stop by.
Just leave it.
No, it's moving. I think this too.
No, it's just one.
Get off.
Oh my god! It's like hanging and it's trying to crawl up your head.
I'm gonna go into labour.
Megan! It's like on your top of your bum, like it's coming to your head. Stop it, I'm gonna pee!
Tilly, get it off my head. Tilly. Sketch it.
Jesus Christ, that's a big bug.
Oh, how far away is your father?
Like an hour.
Tilly, help me. I can do this. I'm gonna man up. Oh.
What's it doing? It looks like it's giving birth.
Alice. Oh my god, it's moved! It's crawling in my head. Get
It's
off
like
my head. Get it off my head.
no, I'm not touching it.